so ice cold, good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here.
Hi guys, it's Kayla and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be doing another hair unboxing. Yes, I know I'm in the same outfit because y'all, they sent me 2 hairs and I just didn't really feel like I didn't want to combine them because they not the same. Like the hair different, duh, of course, but I didn't feel like to make them together, so I just made 2 separate videos. I hope that's okay with you guys. It's just more content for me to record. So yeah, so the hair they sent me this time, like I said in my other video, it didn't come in this packaging. It just came in like the standard packaging that if you mail somebody something. So this hair right here, cute. She cute, sis. She cute. But so the name of this hair, she ain't got no name. I'm sorry. Like, it's just Mink hair. So it's what she looking like. We got some highlights going on. So it just says Mink, and then it says 18 inches, and then it has like 27 and 30, and I think 41 in P. Like, that's what it says. So this here I have a 20, I think the 22 closure. So this is a closure. I have a closure. So I have a 22 closure, a 20, 18, and a 16. So those are the bundles. So I'm gonna start off with the closure. This hair didn't come in the hairnet, but this is the closure. Ain't the highlights cute? That's cute. So it's bent up at the bottom because like how it's in the packaging. So don't mind that part. But this is the closure. It's just a 4x4. It's just like a regular closure. So it's pretty much like this right here, but it's just Mink. I guess it's straight hair, but they put highlights in it. So this is what it looking like. So this is what the highlights looking like. So yes, this is the closure. Now I'm gonna show y'all the bundle. So this is the 20-inch bundle. I don't know why the closure longer than all my bundles. Just what they say. So this is a 20-inch bundle of their Mink hair. So like when you get Mink hair, they bundles come like this. Like when I guess you get just regular hair, they bundles come like circle wise. But yes, this is this one. To me, the highlights look lighter in the closure, but that's okay though. I'm pretty sure it's gonna blend cute. It should still blend pretty. Now I'm gonna show the 18-inch. And this is the 18-inch. All the bundles, the highlights look all the same in the bundles. And I'm gonna open the 16-inch. So this is the 16-inch. That seems kind of long. So this is the 18. Maybe they put them in the wrong packaging, cause I don't know. The 16-inch bundle seemed like the 20-inch bundle to me, cause this is, I don't know. So this is what they said, the 16-inch, but this look long, and then so this look like the 16-inch right here. Then this look like the 18-inch, and then the 20-inch right there. Okay, so they probably just mislabeled it, but this is all the hair and then you have the frontal, the closure, I'm sorry. So the closure and then the bundles. So yeah, they're a little lighter. The highlights are a little brighter in here. I feel like that's okay, cause it probably a mix. Like it's still highlights in it. It's just they brighter in here, but that's alright. It probably look cuter. So I will be making this into a wig. So yes, this is the hair. This is the hair. So yes. But that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry that the video is not that long. It's not really much I can talk about right now. But I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.